Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm with a new topic, and this is a modal verb. This is an auxiliary topic or modal verbs. And modal verbs are may or might, right? So, topic is about may or might. As I have already explained you in my previous video, can, could. So right now I'm gonna explain you about may and might, that where we can use may and where we can use might correctly, right? So we use may when we are not sure about something in the present or future, right? When we ourselves not sure that when the things are going to happen, there we use may or might. For example, Jack may be coming to see us tomorrow. Means maybe he is coming or maybe not. Perhaps Jack will come to see us tomorrow, जबकि शायद Jack जो है कल आएगा हमसे मिलने. Oh dear, it's 10:30. We may be late for the meeting. Perhaps we will be late for the meetings. Maybe means शायद हो सकता है हम मीटिंग के लिए लेट हो जाएं. She's had no sleep. She may be tired. वो सोई नहीं थी तो वो लाजमी वो हो सकता है, not लाजमी नहीं, वो हो सकता है वो tired हो. Maybe means शायद हो सकता है. Like when we are not sure completely, there we use may, right? So may and might are the modal verbs. They can normally be interchanged without a significant differences in meanings. However, might often implies a smaller chance of something happening. We use it for when expressing possibility. It may rain or it might rain. We can see over here in these two sentences, like it may rain and it might rain. Both of these sentences are same, but meanings are a little bit different, not more than, like just little bit different. It may rain हो सकता है बारिश हो. It might rain हो सकता है बारिश हो. यहाँ पर हमने 70% चांस और 40% चांस जो मेंशन जो किया है वो इसलिए किया है कि इट मे रेन यहाँ पर ये 70% बात को जाहिर करता है, जबकि इट माइट रेन ये इससे लेस देन बात को जाहिर करता है कि शायद हो सकता है, लाइक नॉट मच, सिर्फ सम, लाइक कुछ परसेंट को यहाँ पे ये शो करता है माइट, ओके. जबकि मे जो है 70% को शो करता है, याद रखें. और ऑलवेज अगर आ जाता है तो वो 100% को शो करता है. माइट जो है 40% को शो करता है. So here we have the graph about that where we can use might and where we can use may. We can use might with all the subject, like I might, you might, he might, she might, it might, we might, they might. But remember where we use might for only 40% things happen. I may, you may, he may, she may, it may, we may, and they may. Just like the other modal verbs, there is never an s at the end of may or might. For example, we cannot say she might stay. We cannot use s with might because this is not correct. She might stay. Whether we know that this is there, here we have the subject she. You guys must be thinking, or you guys must be getting confused that why we are not using s over here, why this sentence is incorrect. So let me explain you first that why we cannot use s over here. Just because of this, because we cannot this is the modal verb, and with all the structures, with all the modal verbs, we cannot use s or es whether the subject is a third person. Whatever the subject is, we just need to use might, like she might stay. So this is the correct one. She might, no, this is the wrong, this is incorrect. This means the infinitive without to. Instead of to study, we can use only study. Instead of to speak, we only put speak after the modal verb might and may. क्या समझ में आया इस सेंटेंस से? लाइक हम जो है मे और माइट इन मॉडल वर्ब में, और या फिर कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर हो, भले वो कुड हो, कैन हो, शुड हो, वट एवर द मॉडल वर्ब जस्ट वी कैन नॉट यूज इन्फिनेटिव टू. What? We cannot use infinitive to. We can simply use a verb. Like we cannot use to study. We just use study. Instead of to speak, we can only put speak only. We do not need to use to before verb. Okay? For example, you might to go. So this is incorrect. We cannot use to. This is not correct. We don't use call. We need to remove the to part. We need to remove this part. Okay? So we can say you might go. This is the correct one. We cannot use to. Right? Like we cannot use infinitives with modal verbs. Also she might knows. As I told you before, we cannot use s or es with the subject third person while making structure, or while with all the modal verbs we cannot use s or es. Remember, this is incorrect sentence. She might know. This is the correct one. You guys must be thinking कि यहाँ पर तो she है. This is the third person. You must be thinking कि ये तो third person है. So we can use s or es with this. But whether this is third person or not, but we need to remember this thing that here we have what? Here we have a structure. Here we have our modal verb and this is might. भले यहाँ पर may हो, might हो, can हो, could हो, whatever the modal verb will be here, you need to remove s with the verb. Okay? So the usage of may and might we can use to express possibility and negative possibility. Might is used more frequently than may in spoken English. Might जो है we sometimes use for written English and may we use for spoken English. Take an umbrella, it might rain later. Umbrella ले लो, हो सकता है बारिश हो जाए बाद में. This means there is a possibility that it will rain later. कि हो सकता है बारिश हो जाएगी, तो umbrella आप ले लो. You can also say it may rain later. I think she may win the singing competition because her voice is amazing. हो सकता है वो singing competition जीत जाए क्योंकि उसकी आवाज़ जो है amazing है. They might be late because of the bus strike. हो सकता है वो late हो जाए क्योंकि बस स्ट्राइक की वजह से हो सकता है वो late हो जाएं. We may go out for the dinner tonight. Do you want to join us? हो सकता है कि हम आज जाएं डिनर पर. क्या आप हमें ज्वाइन करोगे? Our company might get the order if the client agrees to the price. हमारी कंपनी हो सकता है ऑर्डर के लिए रेडी हो जाए अगर हमारे क्लाइंट जो है एग्री कर लें प्राइस पर. And how can we use negative of these possibilities sentences? Adam and Sue may not buy that house. It's very expensive. Adam and Sue हो सकता है वो घर ना खरीदें क्योंकि ये बहुत expensive है. May not buy. They might not buy a house at all. हो सकता है वो शायद घर वो नहीं खरीदेंगे हरगिज़. So we can also use may to ask for permission in a formal way. In a formal way we can use may when we ask for permission. There we use may. Make sound, may sounds more polite than using can or could when asking for permission. Like you most of the time have seen that we use can and could for asking the permission. Like can you give this to me, or could you borrow me this book? So we sometimes use can or could for asking the permission. But when we use may replace of these can or could, so it may sound more polite than both of these can or could, right? May I have some water, please? May I borrow your dictionary? May I use the bathroom, please? May I borrow the car tomorrow? May we come a bit later? It is best to use please in the question to make it more polite. Like here we are using may for making it more formal or for making it more polite. But if we add please with these sentences, so it will make it more polite sentence, right? Note, in theory, might can also be used to request permission, but it sounds very formal and is rare. We use may to give permission in a formal way. We do not use might to give permission. Remember, परमिशन देते हुए जो है हम माइट का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं, हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ मे का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. यू मे ओपन द विंडो इफ़ यू बिकम हॉट. अगर आपको गर्मी लगती है तो आप विंडो खोल सकती हो. लाइक यू कैन सी ओवर हियर वी कैन नॉट यूज माइट व्हेन वी गिव परमिशन, बट व्हेन वी आस्क फॉर परमिशन देयर वी कैन यूज माइट, but when we give permission there we cannot use. You may take a browser if you like. You may leave the room once you have finished the test. You may go now. You may come at 11 if you wish. आप एन मौके पर आ सकती हो अगर आप चाहती हो. To not give permission, we can use may not to not give permission or to prohibit someone from doing something. मीन्स हम जो है मे नॉट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब हम किसी को परमिशन नहीं देते हैं. मे नॉट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब हम किसी को परमिशन नहीं देते हैं, और हम कभी और जब हम किसी को किसी चीज़ के लिए मना करते हैं, जब हम किसी को कुछ करने के लिए मना करते हैं, देयर वी यूज़ मे नॉट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू मे नॉट पार्क योर कार इन फ्रंट ऑफ द गेट because it is because it is prohibited. Like ये मना है, it is permitted, right? It is not permitted, like it is not allowed, because so you cannot park your car over there. You may not leave the room without permission. You may not take photos inside the museum because it is prohibited. You may not borrow the car until you can be more careful with it. Students may not wear jeans. Like you can see over here in all of these sentences, these all are like, it seems like order. It seems like we are prohibited to somebody. Like हम किसी को कुछ करने से रोक रहे हैं और हम कहीं पर order दे रहे हैं, हम किसी को allow नहीं कर रहे हैं. So you can see over here in all of these sentences. So here we use may. We use might when we are not sure about something in the present or future. I might see you tomorrow. हो सकता है मैं कल देखूं, हो सकता है, like 40% chance है. It looks nice, but it might be very expensive. ये अच्छा तो बहुत लग रहा है, लेकिन जो है ये बहुत ही महंगा होगा. हो सकता है ये महंगा होगा, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होगा. It's quite bright. ये बहुत ब्राइट है. It might not rain today. बहुत ज़्यादा ही आज ब्राइट अच्छा मौसम है. It's quite bright. हो सकता है आज बारिश ना हो. May and might are used to speculate about past actions. Here we are saying that something was possible in the past, but we are not sure. For this situation, we use may plus have plus past participle form. Past participle form, third form of the verb. Like, for example, we can use may and might are used to speculate about the past actions. Past action की जब हम बात कर रहे होते हैं, जब हम पास्ट की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पर हम मे और माइट लगाने के बाद जो है हैव यूज करते हैं हेल्पिंग वर्ब, एंड देन वी यूज थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, लाइक वी यूज अवर पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म, राइट? Your comment may have offended some people. She's not here. She might have gone to the market. वो यहाँ नहीं है, हो सकता है वो मार्केट चली गई हो. What was that noise outside? I think it may have been a car. I think it may have been a cat. हो सकता है ये cat हो. Means past की बात कर रहे हैं. With all of these examples, they were possible, but we are not sure. When we are not sure for anything in our past, so like what was that noise outside? कि वहाँ पर वो आवाज़, वहाँ पे वो कैसा शोर था? हो सकता था शायद कहीं वो बिल्ली तो नहीं थी. Means when we are not sure about the past, so there we use may have been. She is not here. वो यहाँ पर नहीं है. हो सकता है वो मार्केट जा चुकी हो, लाइक पास्ट की बात कर रहे हैं. आपने यहाँ पे देखा योर कॉमेंट मे हैव ऑफेंडेड सम पीपल. आपने जो कमेंट किया था हो सकता है वो कुछ लोगों को नाराज़ कर चुका हो. उसने कुछ लोगों ने हो सकता है उससे बुरा मान लिया हो. लाइक हम सब ये जो है हो सकता है पास्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, बट व्हेन वी आर अनश्योर आवरसेल्फ, वी आर नॉट श्योर. We use may to express wishes. When expressing wishes, only may is used, not might. May you both live a long and happy life together. May the new year brings you love and happiness. May all your wishes come true. May the force be with you.